What's up, gamers? Jack Paul here. And if you're watching this, chances are you're tired of staring at that empty Robux balance. Am I right? Well, get ready to change that, because in this video, I'm not just going to talk about getting free Robux. I'm going to show you live, step by step, exactly how it's done. No fake promises, no sketchy websites, just the real deal. So, if you're ready to unlock all those amazing items, game passes, and experiences you've been dreaming of, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump right into making your Roblox dreams a reality. Follow my steps carefully, let's get started. You can see, now I have 0 Robux. Let's see how much Robux we can get. Go to your profile and copy your username. Then get a new tab and type this address, www.cardvault.com/Robux. Paste that username here and select your device. Wait a moment, they're searching your Roblox account. Then select how much Robux you want to get. I select 5,000. Now wait for Generate Robux. Your 5,000 Robux is ready. However, to prevent abuse of our system and server overloads, you have to complete a quick CAPTCHA. This also prevents developers from patching the exploit. Click the button below to get started. Okay, sounds good. Click the CAPTCHA button. Now, this is the final step. To verify yourself and unlock the content, simply complete a quick free offer. This could be downloading an app from Google Play or filling out a short survey with your valid information. Due to YouTube's privacy policy and terms of service, I can't show my personal details for this offer. You'll need to go ahead and complete it for verification. I'll be doing the same thing right alongside you, and once I'm done, I'll be back here on display. Alright, just 2 minutes later, I've finished the offer. And look at this, guys, 5,000 Robux added in our Roblox account. Okay, so I'm about to show you something pretty wild. I honestly think this could be the best way to get free Robux out there. And yes, I'm showing you proof live, as I just got 5,000 Robux. Look, I get it if you're skeptical, I was too. But trust me on this. Dedicate just 5 minutes and prepare to be genuinely surprised by the outcome. If you like this video and want to get Roblox free Robux, follow my instructions step by step. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for everything, and I'll see you in another tutorial.